Hello dear educators, welcome to another exciting class. Today we're going to be looking at how to create digital worksheets for our students. So first of all, the app I usually use to create my digital worksheets, I use Canva for education. I can also use Microsoft Word. You can use a lot of document applications to create worksheets, but I usually use Canva because Canva has lots of designs and you can use already made worksheets, or you can create yours from the scratch. So what you need to do first is go to www.canva.com and you have this on your screen. So you go to the search tab and type in worksheets and search. So Canva is going to bring out worksheet templates for you. So you have an option of creating yours from the scratch or picking a worksheet from the templates you've given. So you can see, you can keep scrolling and there are lots of already made worksheets. So these worksheets can be edited, okay? You can edit it any way you want. It's editable. You mustn't use it the way it is here. So I'm simply going to type on create blank worksheet. If I tap on create blank worksheet, I have an A paper canvas appear on my screen. Okay, so Canva is still going to give me some options of worksheets, but I don't want to use that. I want to create mine from the scratch. So I'm going to tap on this plus icon over here. Over here, we're going to tap on it and see the options that we have. So if I tap on the plus icon, you can see we have options of templates, we have options of elements, we have options of upload. That's if you want to upload anything from your device into Canva. We have the test option. If we scroll, we have style, Google Drive, Facebook, and so on. So in order for us to do this, I'm going to tap on text because I want to create a heading. So I'll tap on add a heading and I'll tap on it. So I can make this let's say numeracy worksheet. Numeracy worksheet. Okay, so you can see it's very big. So I have the option of adjusting the size of my write-up. You can see I've adjusted it to the way I want. So I'll just press and drag, and you can see when you are working on Canva, you can see all these lines. It simply lets you know if whatever you're doing is organized, if it's in the middle, if it's properly arranged and all. So I also have the option of changing the color. So I don't like black, so I'm going to change it. See, this color would do. Okay, so I have numeracy worksheet. Okay, then I can change the font. I don't like the way this is written. I can customize it. You can see I have different options here of changing my font, so I'll leave it at that. Then I'll tap on the plus icon again. Let's hold on for it. So I want to search here and look for an image. So maybe I need an image. Okay, I need a dog, for example. I'll search for dog. Sorry, you come to element. We're still on test, so that didn't work out. So come to element and tap in dog. So we have different images brought to us. So mind you, Canva has some paid, you can pay for some graphics. There are some payment plans for Canva, but trust me, I usually use all the free stuffs Canva provides because they're enough for me. If you want something else, fine, but I'm okay with this. So I'll tap on this. So this is a numeracy worksheet. I'm just showing you how to do something extraordinary. I can just tap it like this. Then I can tap on the plus icon again, go over to element. I can tap on line. I need a line. Which one? Okay, I'll tap on this one. I think I like this, so I'm going to adjust it. You can adjust your worksheets the way you want. If you're using your phone, you can even zoom in. You can see it makes your worksheet bigger for you to work on, or you zoom in or you zoom out. You have that option as well. So I'm not creating much templates, much work on this worksheet. I just want it to be as simple as possible. So I'll tap on the plus icon again. I can tap on cup. Okay, so we have, I'm going to take this one. You resize it. You have the options of resizing your image. So I can tap on this line again and come over here and duplicate because I still want it. Okay, so that's the essence of that duplicate. So if I tap on duplicate, it brings it out again for me and I drop it down here. Okay, you can search for another image. This Pro, you see, this Canva Pro, you have to pay for them. So that's just what it means. The ones that have free on them all means you can use them without payment. So I'm going to tap on books. Let's see what we have. Books. So what I'm trying to do, this worksheet is based on addition. I want my students to be able to count the images and write the number for me. So it's as easy as that. So I'm going to duplicate this line again and I'll drag it here. So I can as well leave an instruction because obviously I didn't leave an instruction. I didn't even create an option of a name. Of course, a worksheet needs to have a space for the students to write their name. So I'll come to the plus icon again. I'll tap on text. I'm going to tap on text. Tap on text. So I'll just tap on add subheading because I don't want it to be as bold as the other one. So I can just tap on it and write name. Okay. Column. So I have name. Then I can do this to form a line. You can see it's going out of place. You can still adjust if you tap on this cross, this icon that looks like a cross. You can easily adjust. So I'm just going to do this. Sorry about that. Keep doing the line. Okay, so see what I'm going to tap on. This part is just for you to stretch out what you've written. Here is to adjust. This is to convert it. Probably you want it to be tilted, to be straight and all. So I'm going to tap on that one to drag. If I drag it, you can see. But I'm still going to reduce this because it's going off the worksheet. So I'm going to drag it again to see if it's at the center. But I don't like the color. I'm going to go to my color and change it to black. So name. Then I'll tap on the plus icon again. I'll go to text. Add a little bit of body text. I want it to be tinier than the other one. So I'll just drag it over here. So this is going to be my instruction. So my instruction is sum up the images and write down the correct number. Okay, so this is not organized, so I'm going to use this to make it centralized. So that's it. I can change the color again to something else. You know, children love colorful worksheets. So this is it. So this is how to just create a worksheet. You can explore around, okay, using your elements. If you go to elements over here, this element here, template is to use theirs, and you can edit if you want. Then elements, if you tap on elements, you have options of searching for graphics and all that. So Canva is, you can use it to design a lot of things, your logo and a lot. So I'm done. So if I want to save this, I'll just tap on this over here. This signifies to download. So if I tap on it, you can see I have options of downloading. You can send it to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can save to folder, Facebook group, Google Drive, Instagram, and all that. You can even share a link. If you copy the link and share with people, but I don't want that. You can send it via email if you want, but I'm going to tap on download because I want it on my phone. So you have an option of this icon here. If you click on this drop down icon here, you have different options of saving your worksheet. It's either you want it in PNG, that's in image format, JPEG format, PDF standard, that's a smaller size of PDF print, that's if you want your students to print it and do it, probably snap it and send it to you back in the Google Classroom. There are various ways they can use their worksheet. If you want to convert it to an MP4 video, that's if you use all these graphic designs that are animated. Yes, of course, it would give you that suggestion. But since there are no animated text or animated images or a GIF, so I'll just tap on PDF print. Once you tap on PDF print, you tap on download over here, and it automatically saves on your device. Okay, so this is simply how to create a worksheet. So explore around, create various and lovely worksheets for your students. Thanks and bye.